I'm about to show you my French Bulldog snoring, but if you'd like to support me, it's the Book of Bushido. So this is my French Bulldog. He's called Bolt. He is one of the loveliest dogs in the world. But every single one of my videos I do, he's snoring in the background. His eyes always are half open asleep, and he is genuinely asleep. He might be waking up because I'm talking. But this is Bolt, and everybody who asks in my videos, who's that snoring in the background? This is what you're getting. Oh, he's awoken, haven't you, son? You all right, my lad? He's the cutest man in the world. So, this is my girlfriend's dog, but basically, there was a dispute. She got divorced from her ex-husband, and the husband kept him. And basically, the husband's quite ill, so couldn't really take him for a walk. So he was stuck for a lot of COVID. So he was a little vicious bugger and used to bite and scrap and fight, but I take him for 2-3 walks a day, and he gets tons of exercise now. And he, instead of being sort of stuck in a kitchen, he sleeps with me in my bed, and he has become the kindest, loveliest dog you'll come meet now. So aggressive dogs just need love and a bit of running. Once they're tired, they're not that aggressive. So there he is. That's Bolt, the man who snores in all of my bloody videos. Right. If you're interested in what I do, guys, have a look at The Man Who Killed the Ninja. That is one of the documentaries I did, and we're promoting the new book at the minute, which is the Book of Bushido. If you're interested in samurai, and for any of you girls out there watching, get your husband a copy of Book of Bushido for his birthday or for Christmas. Just doing a bit of extra. He's fell back asleep, and his tongue's out.